Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to remove a Nissan Xterra door panel. This process is straightforward with the right equipment. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. These will help you safely pry off plastic pieces. You'll also need a 10mm socket and a ratchet wrench for a few key bolts. Having these items ready will make the job much easier and prevent any accidental damage. Now, let's begin by tackling the visible fasteners. Start by carefully prying up the small rubber or plastic covers found on your armrest. Beneath these, you'll find a few bolts. Next, remove the two visible Phillips head screws. One is typically in the door handle bezel, and another is often in the armrest's grab handle cup. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently detach the trim piece around the interior door handle. Be sure to remove any 10mm bolts that become visible after these steps. With all the screws and bolts removed, it's time to release the main door panel. Grab your plastic trim removal tool and begin prying from the bottom edge of the door. Work your way carefully around the sides, applying steady, gentle pressure. You'll hear distinct popping sounds as the plastic clips release from the door frame. There are typically around 8 clips holding the panel in place, so take your time to ensure each one detaches without breaking. Patience is key here. After all the clips are released, gently lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Be mindful of any attached electrical wiring harnesses for your window switches or speakers. Carefully disconnect these. If your Xterra has a manual window crank, you'll need to remove a small horseshoe-shaped retaining clip to detach it. To put everything back together, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips align and snap into place, and all screws are securely fastened for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.